So our first comment is by Dr. Kavanagh, representing Health Watch USA. Dr. Kavanagh.
Thank you. Health Watch USA would like to re-emphasize and refocus the committee on the prevention of multi-drug resistant organisms. Antibiotic stewardship alone may not result in the needed drop in resistance. Even if antibiotic usage decreases by 50%, there will still be billions of bacteria exposed to antibiotics, and resistance may still emerge. Imagine if there was only a 50% compliance with contact precautions for Ebola patients. Would that be an effective strategy to stop an epidemic? So far, there has been little action on removing the last line of defense antibiotic polymyxin B from over-the-counter products, even though there are great theoretical risks to patient safety, and its incorporation into these products has not been shown to increase their effectiveness. In addition, there is no assurance that effective and safe antibiotics, which retain their therapeutic efficacy over the long term, can be developed. Thus, controlling the spread of MDROs is of utmost importance. On June 18th of this year, the CDC reaffirmed contact precautions for those infected with MRSA and MRSA carriers. Hand hygiene is a very important component in an infection control bundle. But in the context of MDROs, it should be viewed as a backup measure, because these organisms should not be on a healthcare worker's hands in the first place. Therefore, I would have liked to have seen the committee substitute contact precautions for hand hygiene in their key strategy 1-7.2. I would like to re-emphasize again to the committee the importance of conflict of interest. A recent article by Abbas et al. In Intensive Care Medicine reviewed over 100 articles and focuses on infectious disease research. The authors concluded that the effects of conflicts of interest pervade all aspects of the publication and research process. And finally, I would like to recommend consideration of the healthcare worker from the standpoint of monitoring MDRO acquisitions and the risks of spread to both the patients and the environment. Thank you.